Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out and clean the main rotor brush for your Viomi SE. So to take it out, we'll need to place our Viomi upside down like this. And now here's the main rotating brush. And in order to take it out, you will need to in the same time click on these two buttons and push them to yourself like that. Now in order to take this brush out, you simply lift it up a bit like that and just push it to the right side like that. And from here you can start cleaning your brush with a toothbrush or just clean it with some water. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.